Hi, my name is Annie, and today's topic is waitlist and preauthorization. When an item is out of stock that you're wanting to purchase, you are placed on waitlist. Your item can come off of waitlist so that you're able to purchase. There are three ways. One, an item can expire out of someone else's cart. Two, it can come back in a return, or three, we can restock the item. When an item comes off a wait list, the item will be put into your cart and you will receive an email or a message through Messenger. If you would like to view or edit your wait list, you can do this from your account page. When an item goes on waitlist, you will be given the option to pre-authorize. What this means is when you pre-authorize, then you are putting yourself at the front of the list. So in other words, if there's 10 people on waitlist and you're number 10, when you pre-authorize, you move to number 1. So when the item comes back in, you're going to get it first. When you pre-authorize, you are just giving us permission to charge a card if an item comes back in stock. There's no hold and there's no immediate charge. If you enter a code when you pre-authorize, the code is only valid while the code is active. For instance, if we have a code that is only available on Thursday and the item comes back in stock on Friday, the code will not be valid.